Adaklu hine togbega gbogbiacha wotoso num waboga na mampanyina abaso wabo MPP amagudwuko no so abaso se efiri bra mampanyina betena banwa iso no ogusuwa ya woye mpuntudwuma e wo fra mantem no emu na ne nyina abebo ate wabra mampanyina twa homa mu ana niema kase woye mpotem hono no na obia no
Togbega gbogbi acha wotoso nan eye ohene popro ewo Adaklu odi atudwa se nananom ahemfo ene manfo a wonom ewo Adaklu die wonom ede omampani Adanko Akuffo-Addo asedaka bebre esane se efiri bra obeye mampanyini wabo amampumtu aba wonom kuro no so pa ochiremu a empumtu dwuma hodo a waya ama wonom no ebi ne court complex police station ani afufuro bia eka ho sani ama wayama ekuro no eyade ebeboa temamufuo nyina.
It is during the administration of Adaklu Akuffo-Addo that Adaklu district had the first police station constructed, which subsequently led to the construction of an office accommodation for a district police commander. It is true that this administration, Adaklu district, has seen the construction of the first third road leading to the district capital. It is also true that under your administration, a district court with accommodation for judges has been constructed.
Wasan fa sa akonya no so de adesede to mampani Adanko Akuffo-Addo anim se district police command no wonum eni hyen ya emwa ema wonum adwuma enkonkan ne senti wontwa nani no medum wonum bi.
1. To commission Adaklu Chirepe Waya Kayime Road. This particular road was awarded 4 years ago. However, the contractor is yet to report to the site. This road is a main highway leading to the district capital. We appeal to you to cause the Honorable Minister of Roads and the Honorable Minister of Finance to ensure that the road is constructed for your commissioning in 2024.